Hello, this is the study guide for the National Quiz Mathematics Competition powered by WorldBest. Kindly note that this is a guide and not entirely the number of questions to expect. However, I will be running us through a summary of questions set that you may encounter during the competition. But before we begin, here are topics to anticipate. Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, whole numbers, addition of whole numbers and subtraction of whole numbers, place value of whole numbers, writing place value of a particular number, Roman numeral, fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions, multiplication and division of fractions, decimal numbers, addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Estimates, rounding off to decimal place and rounding off to a significant figure. Money, kobo to naira, addition and subtraction of money, multiplication and division of money, profit and loss. Measurements, lengths, addition and subtraction of length, multiplication and division of length, converting different length units to another. Weight, addition and subtraction of weight, multiplication and division of weight, converting different weight units to another. Time, area and perimeter of square and rectangle, volume, capacity, addition and subtraction in liters and other units, multiplication and division in liters and other units, lowest common multiple LCM, simple interest, algebra, percentage, percentage increase, percentage decrease, profit and loss percent. I will begin with the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of whole numbers. In this section, we will be looking at answering basic questions in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of whole numbers, including word problems. Question 1. A science textbook has 198 pages, while a mathematics textbook has 212 pages. How many pages do both books have altogether? Answer. Total pages in a science textbook plus total pages in a mathematics textbook. That is 198 plus 212, which is equal to 410. Question 2. Abuja has a population of 120,000. The population of Port Harcourt is more by 100,000. What is the population of Port Harcourt? Answer. Abuja population plus 100,000 will give you the population for Port Harcourt. That is 120,000 plus 100,000, which is equal to 220,000. Question 3. A fly has 6 legs. How many legs do 4 flies have? Answer. 6 times 4 equals to 24. 4 flies will therefore have a total of 24 legs. Question 4. There are a dozen pencils in each bundle. How many pencils are there in 5 bundles? Answer. A dozen is 12. Therefore, 12 times 5 equals to 60. 5 bundles will have 60 pencils. Question 5. 45 minus n equals to 18. What is n? Answer. 18 plus n equals to 45. 45 minus 18 equals to 27. Therefore, n is 27. Question 6. The sum of 2 numbers is twice a third number. If the 2 numbers are 11 and 17, find the third number. Answer. Sum of two numbers, 11 and 17, equals to 28. To get the third number, you divide 28 by 2, which is equal to 14. Next is place value and Roman numerals. Place value is simply knowing the value of a particular digit in a set of numbers. Example, what is the value of the digit 4 in the number 246,685? The answer is 40,000. Roman numerals, on the other hand, is an ancient numeral system in Rome and remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe into the late Middle Ages. Example, express the Roman figure CXLIV in numerals, which simply means 144. Write the following in Arabic numerals CCCLXXX, which means 380. Fractions. Examples of problems in fractions. 1. Subtract 1/4 from 1/3. Answer: 4 minus 3 divided by 12, which is equal to 1/12. Question 2. Add 4 whole number 6/7 to 5 whole number 2/4. Answer: 34 divided by 7 plus 22 divided by 4, which is equal to 136 plus 154 divided by 28. This division is equal to 290 divided by 28, which gives us 10 whole number 10/28. Decimal numbers. Examples of problems in decimal numbers. Question 1. What number is subtracted from 8.008 to give you 5.079? Answer: let the number be n. Therefore, 8.008 minus n is equal to 5.079. N now is equal to 8.008 minus 5.079. Therefore, n is equals to 2.929. Question 2. Express 0.125 as a fraction. Answer: 0.125 expressed as a fraction is equal to 125 divided by 100. Simplified to its lowest term is 1/8. Estimation and approximation. An example of problems in approximation and estimation is 1. When 7 whole number 5/9 is rounded to the nearest whole number, the result is. Answer: we will start by converting 7 whole number 5/9 to a decimal number. This is done by keeping the whole number part and dividing the fraction through the long division method, which is 7.555. Rounded to the nearest whole number will give us 8. Therefore, our answer is 8. Profit and loss, conversion of money, and calculations involving money. Examples of problems in profit and loss are: a trader pays 25 naira for an article. What price must she sell it to make a profit of 20%? Answer: cost price is equal to 25 naira. Profit, therefore, is 20% times 25 naira, which is 20 divided by 100 times 25 naira, which will give us 5 naira. Selling point now is equal to profit plus cost price. Our profit here is 5 naira and our cost price is 25 naira. Selling price now is therefore 25 naira plus 5 naira, which will give us 30 naira. Question 2. An article costing 25 naira was sold at 20 naira. What is the gain or loss percentage? Answer. Cost price is equal to 25 naira. Selling price is equal to 20 naira. Loss is therefore 25 naira minus 20 naira, which will give us 5 naira. Percentage loss is equal to 5 divided by 25 times 100, which will give us 20%. Question 3. Ali has $24. He spent 1/4 of it. How much money does he have left? Answer. $24 times 1/4, which is $24 times 1/4, which will give us $6. To know how much money Ali has left, we will subtract $6 from $24, which will give us $18 left. Measurements. Examples of problems in measurement are 1. Time. Tuna spent 1 hour 15 minutes fishing and 1 hour 25 minutes swimming in the river. How much time did he spend fishing and swimming? Answer. 1 hour 15 minutes plus 1 hour 25 minutes will give us 3 hours 30 minutes. 2. Length. The area of a square plot of land is 144 meters square. What is the length of one side? Answer. Area of a square is equal to length times length, which is length square, which will give us 144 meters square. Now to find the length is the square root of 144 meters square, which is 12 meters. 3. Weight. A tablespoon holds 20 millimeters of honey. How many tablespoons of honey can be obtained from a jar which contains 0.2 liters of honey? Answer. 1 liter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Therefore, 0.2 liters will give us 200 millimeters. A number of tablespoons will be 200 divided by 20, which will give us 10 tablespoons of honey. 4. Perimeter. A square has an area of 9 square centimeters. Its perimeter is? Answer. Area is equals to length square, which is equal to 9 centimeters square. Perimeter is equal to 4L, which is 4 times length. Length is equal to square root of 9 centimeters square, which will give us 3 centimeters. Now to get the perimeter, you multiply 4 times 3 centimeters, which will give us 12 centimeters. 5. Area. A rectangular plot 72 meters long and 20 meters wide on a school farm is divided into 18 equal plots. What is the area of each plot? Answer. Length is 72 meters. Width is 20 meters. Plots are 18. Total area is length times width, which is 72 meters times 20 meters, which will give us 1440 meters square. Area of each plot is equal to 1440 meters square divided by 18, which is 80 meters square. 6. Volume. A tank is 14 meters long, 8 meters wide, and 5 meters deep. Find the volume of water it contains if it is half full. Answer. Length is 14 meters, width is 8 meters, depth is 5 meters. Volume is length times width times depth, which is 14 meters times 8 meters times 5 meters, which will give us 560 meters cube. Volume of half full tank will be 560 divided by 2 meters cube, which is 280 meters cube. Lowest common multiple. An example of a problem involving LCM is 1. Find the LCM of 3, 8, and 12. Answer: 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 is equal to 12. 2 times 2 times 2 times 1 is equal to 8. 3 times 1 gives us 3. Therefore, LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 1, which will give us 12. Simple interest. An example of problems in simple interest is 1. What is the simple interest on a loan of 960 naira for 3 years at 5% per annum? Answer: principal is 960 naira, rate is 5%, and time is 3 years. Simple interest is principal times rate times time divided by 100, which is 960 naira times 5 times 3 divided by 100, which will give us 144 naira. Algebra. An example of problems in algebra is 1. Solve for x if 3 is equal to 15x minus 2. Answer: 3 is equal to 15x minus 2. 15x now is equal to 3 plus 2. X is equal to 5 divided by 15, which will give us 1 over 3. 2. A boy walks a distance of 3 kilometers from his house to school. On the way, he stops at a shop to buy a pen. If the distance from his house to the shop is 1,450 meters, what is the distance from the shop to the school in kilometers? Answer: let the distance from the shop to the school be x. Distance from the house to the shop is 1,450 meters, while distance from the house to the school is 3 kilometers, which is equal to 3,000 kilometers. Let x be now 3,000 meters minus 1,450 meters, which is 1,550 meters. Converting it to kilometers will be 1.55 kilometers. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the best.